We are excited to announce DeskAI, our newest innovation designed to transform how you engage with your data and workflows. DeskAI combines the power of generative AI with deep industry expertise to deliver instant value, actionable insights, and intelligent recommendations, all from a single and easy-to-use interface. You can get advanced notification of equipment issues right out of the box without the heavy lift of manual analysis. DeskAI reduces the effort required to spot problems so your team can actually focus on fixing rather than finding. Your analysts need sleep? Well, DeskAI doesn't. With continuous monitoring and instant notifications delivered through Desk, email, and SD Connect, our mobile app, you're always connected and always in the loop. DeskAI goes beyond simple detection. By analyzing the vibration patterns, drawing from lessons of previously resolved issues, and leveraging industry best practices, it recommends the most effective maintenance actions based on equipment health, thereby reducing guesswork and enabling more impactful results. A low-effort design plus action-based recommendations help you move from insight to corrective action faster than ever. The result? Less downtime and more confidence in every decision. Unlike traditional support tools or generic AI assistants, DeskAI is built to deliver instant, actionable value within your workflow. And how does it do it? DeskAI handles well over 1 billion data points every month, ensuring responses are accurate, relevant, and up-to-date. The breadth of this dataset ensures that our models are both powerful and trustworthy. Backed by America's largest Cat 2+ certified team, DeskAI is expertly built, tested, and validated to deliver accurate and reliable insights every time. It understands your environment, your assets, and their past interactions, thus delivering highly relevant guidance. It seamlessly integrates with multiple CMMS solutions to streamline task creation, scheduling, and completion. DeskAI can even validate maintenance actions immediately after they are performed, ensuring accuracy and compliance in real time. It continuously improves with usage, becoming smarter and more efficient over time. DeskAI is simple, intuitive, and designed to help you achieve more with ease. Finally, with DeskAI, every interaction becomes faster, smarter, and more intuitive, delivering instant value from the moment you start using it. It's not just a tool, it's a partner that enhances your experience, streamlines your work, and helps you achieve more with less effort.